In the first decade of the century, AIMS allergy prevalence increased by 40% since 2001, affect 14% of the population. This means that about 8 million people suffer. The ratio is unlike with that happens in the rest of the planet. There are few specialists who argue that the fact that children develop is in a aseptic environment with no seeds, surrounded by excessive hygiene, so sterilized, vaccinated, all without risk of infection, causes is not activate the immune system defense mechanism, but which favor allergies. A recent study in the journal Immunity, whereby exposure to environmental germs in children allows normal development of the immune system, helping to prevent future allergies and protect from infection. Research shows that, counting kids and adults, about 30% of Argentina's population suffer from some form of allergy, which is nothing more than a reaction of the immune system to something that does not bother most of other people. Among the most common allergies are those caused by pollen, dust mites, mold spores, foods, insect sting, or medicine, and they usually appear on the skin, eyes, nose, and bronchi. Why the number of allergies is increasing? According to Fontanini, allergy disease specialist, there is no single cause, but must find the source combined factors like air pollution, climate change, poor diet, and stress of urban life. Here the data are more encouraging. According to the Argentina Association of Allergic, 20% of the adult population has the disease, whose prevalence increased considerably in the last decade and follows a level of increase that occurs worldwide. Many doctors are beginning to consider allergic as the epidemic of this century. The Dr. Walter Fontanini, allergic disease specialist, said that many people with different types of allergy but still do not know, which probably suggests that the percent of people with this problem much more. In analyzing trend called hygiene hypothesis, the expert argues that for the moment are theories but not proven. Hygiene could have an important role in this phenomenon, since by the disappearance of parasites and other microorganisms, the immune system overacting could, but you cannot say with certainty, do you cure allergies? Experts agree that those born die allergic reaction, although treatment can vary in intensity and almost manage the symptoms disappear. Therefore, we insist, it's critical to detect any time and treat allergy for life. You can shock and congest noise. Sometimes they burn the palate or irritate eyes as having conjunctivitis, or disturb the bottom of the mouth, and feel a terrible desire to sneeze, and to have blocked ears, and feel that discomfort becomes unbearable. Allergic diseases are growing in our soil and in the rest of the world. Experts say that in 2025 about 50% of the population will have to support some kind of allergic. The diagnosis, which is part of a report by the Spanish Society of Clinical Immunology, that allergic diseases are increasing steadily in our countries. So that if these figures continue through 2025, 50% of the population of this part of the world will suffer an allergic problem.